So in ChatGPT, what you can also do is you can directly upload files from cloud drives. So over here, you can see that I have this option right here for attachment. And if I were to click right here, then you can see that connected apps is an option around over here. If I were to click on OneDrive right here, then what happens is that it asks for OneDrive's authorization right here, just like this. And I can go around and connect it out as well. But I already have my Google Drive connected. So if I were to go around onto settings and connected apps, you can see the cloud drives that are connected right here, and you can disconnect it out from over here as well. In my case, I've already connected my Google Drive, so I can go around and click on add from Google Drive, and it opens up Google Drive as you can see right here. So I can go around over here, and let's say for example, I can go around and select out this particular document right here and click on select. Once you do that, you can see that it is being uploaded right here, and I can simply go around and say summarize the content of this file right here, just like this. And if I were to go around and do that, then it actually goes around and reads out the document right here, and then it simply summarizes it out just like this. So that is how you can go around and upload files directly from cloud drives into ChatGPT. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.